My name is Lieutenant Lavell Walson. I'm a Civil Engineering Corps officer. Currently, I'm the Facilities Engineering Acquisition Division Director. The Civil Engineering Corps is made up of the Seabees, and we also maintain the Navy's infrastructure. We build and we fight. My family is comprised of myself and my mother. I grew up in Chicago. In high school, I played basketball. I was a part of a state championship basketball team, ranked #1 in the nation. And going to college, I majored in architectural engineering. My mother, she was working 2 jobs to put me through school. I wanted to find a way to actually pay for college. So I decided to go down and talk with the Navy recruiter. It was a Master Chief, I'll never forget him. And he painted a picture that I really couldn't believe. And he told me my only obligation was to pass the PFA, the Physical Fitness Performance Assessment, twice a year, and also maintain a certain GPA. So that's when I decided to enroll in the Bachelor Degree Completion Program. Being in the BDCP program was a great opportunity for me because it allowed for me to continue going to school. And while I was in school, they paid for tuition, they paid for books, they gave me money for housing. So with that, I was able to just focus on school, and I also lifted the weight of where am I gonna work after I graduate? Because being in the program, you already know that college is paid for, and you also know that you have a job. After graduating from school, I went to Officer Candidate School. After commissioning, that's when I was sent to our Civil Engineering Corps Officer School, and that's a 4-month-long class. There you are taught the basics of what you'll be doing in the Civil Engineering Corps, from the Seabees to maintaining the Navy's infrastructure to supporting the Marines and the Army with contingency construction. From that point, you'll go to either the Seabees or you'll transition to the Public Works Department or the ROIC, the Resident Officer in Charge of Construction. And those are the 3 tiers of the Civil Engineering Corps. My first project in the Navy that had the wow factor was being in charge of 85 guys that are looking up to me for leadership and for guidance. We were headed to Iraq, and being in charge of those guys, having their lives in your hand is a major responsibility. I feel like the Navy definitely prepared me to be able to take on that challenge and be successful at it. The job that I'm currently in, I am responsible for ensuring that the contracts that are awarded is fair and reasonable to the government. Once these contracts are awarded, I am also in charge of overseeing these construction projects, which, depending on the size of the installation that you go to, these are multi-million-dollar projects, so the responsibility lies on your shoulders to ensure that these jobs are executed and completed on time. One thing that I really love about the Civil Engineering Corps is the camaraderie. Being in the battalion really helped me to be a more well-rounded person. You work hard during working hours, and you also play hard. Some advice that I would give to someone who was thinking about the Navy and joining the Civil Engineering Corps is to think long-term. The Navy will provide you with all the tools. I am Lieutenant Lavell Walson, Civil Engineering Corps.